coyote. There's a dead coyote here.
Coyote. Oh my gosh!
We had a pretty good little ice storm, not so much snow as you can see, but definitely good ice. And we figured we'd come out and have a little fun in it, so we'll make a quick short episode here. Hopefully get some good shots of the Jeep in the snow and the ice, and maybe the snow will start coming down a little harder here in a little bit, but until then maybe we'll get a drone shot or two, so stay tuned here. Okay, so we're out here on the trail, and boy, the temperature sure has dropped. It's down to 26 degrees, so getting out to get these shots is cold, and I just out there getting some shots with a new camera, which I'll add some pictures in here and here maybe or something.
This is the real thing.
Are you showing it? Yeah. No, I'll add the pictures that the camera took.
Okay. Oh, I gotcha.
So I'll add those in here. You guys tell me what you think of them. We're going to use it primarily for like Instagram and stuff like that. Brandy was just trying to show it. Here the camera is. This is the Canon M5 4K DSLR mirrorless camera. So M50, I'm sorry. And we're going to start doing some probably more photography with it, but we did want to get a 4K one, so we had the option to do video if we needed to as well, and you can hook an external mic up to it. But I will be making a video. I know I've had several requests for a video of what camera equipment that we use for our photography and for our videography, so I will get that out as soon as I can. Stay tuned here.
Claire, does Elon like riding in the Jeep?
Yeah, but sometimes it's looking at me and I can't breathe. Mostly, it's too hard in here. I cannot breathe.
Turn the heat down.
And my stomach is squished. Cool picture in front of it. on bugs?
Sure.
Coyote. There's a dead coyote here.
Coyote. Oh my gosh! I wonder what that could be.
Wonder why he curled up right here and died. Looks like a dog. No. Thank you. Come on. Yeah.
Yes, that's lovely.
Come on. Get in there. Ronnie, Josh. Get in there, boy. Come on. Go, Elon. Go. Get up there, boy. Come on. Cold.
I can't wait for Mommy to see what I got.
It's gonna be
Daddy
great.
knows what it is.
Did you tell him?
I know what it is.
So Claire wanted to get out there and play for a minute, see how cold it was. And it's cold. I think it's dropped more in temperature. What was it earlier? 24? 26? 24, 26? It's 24 now. I don't remember if it's 26 or 24. But so anyway, we got out there and played around by that pond for a little bit.
And
Noticed.
there's a dead coyote.
Yeah, I noticed a head laying there. I don't know what it was, but I was trying to kick it over. It looked like a possum at first because it had snow all over it. But it was an old coyote. It looked like an old one. And it looked like he maybe just curled up there and froze to death. But he was still perfectly intact. He wasn't chewed up or nothing like that. But his fur was kind of nasty and old looking. So anyway, we got some footage of it. Brandy had to get it. And so now we're going to see if we can get down to this creek that we know is down here and see if it's frozen. So we'll see you soon.
What the?
Today, Elon got to ride. He loves to ride with us, but typically we don't bring him because usually we got a lot of stops to make and things like that. It's hard to take him in anywhere. So today was a short ride. We thought we would bring the dog. Claire's super happy about it. She's mentioned it a few times. And he always likes coming, especially when you go by and get him a burger from somewhere. He really likes that. Don't you, Elon?
There, your feet will get wet. It's too deep.
Okay, so that was the creek. I think we're going to be done for today. It's going on 4:30 here, and it starts to get dark this time of year early. So hope you liked the few little shots that we got. And now we'll close this out. Please don't forget to drop a like, share our video, and please subscribe to our channel. That's the most important thing. That way you're notified when we put a new video out. And stay tuned. We got some exciting stuff coming really soon. Anyway, stay safe out there. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.